If you're dealing with the persona verification error on LinkedIn, the first thing to know is that this usually happens when the system has flagged or rate limited your attempts. It might also occur if your previous verification request is still being processed, which is something that can take time. Unfortunately, it's not something you can typically resolve on your own, so the next step is to contact LinkedIn support directly. To do this, visit their official support page here. Another quick way to get in touch is by messaging LinkedIn support on X, formerly Twitter, at LinkedIn Help. Direct message them with a description of the issue, a screenshot, and the email link to your account. Once you've submitted your request, be patient. This is a known issue and LinkedIn is likely working on it, so give them at least 24 to 48 hours to get back to you.